Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solution. The question says simplify a square minus b square over a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by a square plus ab divided by b square minus ab. The first thing to do is to factorize. And how do you factorize? This becomes a minus b and a plus b, because this is difference of two squares, so it becomes a minus b and a plus b. Now to the denominator, we need to factor out this one as well. Let's factor out, that is a square. This is minus 2ab, that means minus ab plus b square. I want us to follow it step by step so that we can actually understand the concept. Now let us factor out this one as well. This will become a into brackets a plus b over, let us factor out b here, that is b into brackets b minus a. Now from here we've not been able to factor out this one completely, so this will now become a minus b a plus b over, let us group this into two, a square minus ab minus ab plus b square divided by a into a plus b over b into b minus a. Now from here, just like we have a quadratic expression, a minus b a plus b all over, a is common to this, let us factor out a, so we now have a minus b. We can factor out minus b from here as well, that is minus b, so we now have a minus b. So a minus b is common to the two of them. Let me write this so that we won't forget that we have an expression that we are bringing down from b minus a. Now, so this now becomes a minus b a plus b over, since a minus b is common, let us take 1 so that we can bring a minus b together. So a minus b, and we also have a minus b. Now there is division here. We can transform it to multiplication by transforming what is in the denominator. We change it to what is in the numerator, and what is at the numerator we bring it to what is at the denominator. So this now becomes multiplied by b into b minus a over a into a plus b. Now let us look at what and what can we solve from here. Now we have a minus b here, so we have a minus b here. We have b minus a here, so there is no b minus a, sorry, there is no b minus a. So what we have here is b into brackets minus a. So we have a plus b. So this is a plus b. So what we have left, we have b in the bracket b minus a over a and a minus b. But we can rewrite this expression such that if you factor out negative from this numerator, so that you factor out negative from here, factor out negative from here, this a will become positive and this b will become negative, such that this expression now becomes minus b over a. Recall, when we factor out minus negative, so if we take negative from negative, so what we have here is positive. that is A, and this becomes minus B, and this also will become A minus B as it was. So A minus B cancel A minus B. So our final answer is minus B over A. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. And please remember to subscribe to this channel for awesome solutions like this and a more enlightening mathematical solutions. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. Till I see you next time, thank you very much and be good, please.